Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your edX course step by step clearly. To activate your edX course, begin by navigating to the edX website. Log into your edX account using your registered email and password. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, locate the Courses tab on the top navigation bar. Click on the Courses tab to reveal your course dashboard. If you've already enrolled in a course, it will appear under My Courses. For new enrollments, search for the course using the search bar. Click on the course title you wish to activate. On the course page, look for the Enroll button. Click the Enroll button to officially sign up for the course. You may need to select the audit option or verify any payment details if it's a paid course. After enrolling, check your email for a confirmation message. Click the link in the confirmation email to access your course. Now return to the edX dashboard, where your newly activated course should appear. You can click the course title to begin learning. Explore the course materials and familiarize yourself with the layout. Keep an eye on any course announcements for updates from your instructors. Make notes of important dates, such as deadlines and live sessions. Congratulations, you have successfully activated your edX course and are ready to start learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.